Have you ever seen resin cure? Almost instantly? No waiting. No long curing time. No overnight drying. Just light, and it becomes solid. That's UV resin. And while it looks simple, it's one of the most misunderstood materials in resin work. Welcome back to Hainin Epoxy, Hainin Resin and Craft. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about UV resin. What it is, how it works, where to use it, where not to use it, and how it compares to traditional epoxy. If you've ever been curious about fast-curing resin, this video will give you real, practical understanding. Let's start from the basics. What is UV resin? UV resin is a type of resin that cures when exposed to ultraviolet light, unlike traditional epoxy, which cures through mixing two components. UV resin is single component, pre-mixed, ready to use. How it works: instead of mixing resin and hardener, UV resin contains special chemicals called photoinitiators. When UV light hits the resin, a chemical reaction starts. The resin hardens, and curing happens within minutes. Simple definition: UV resin is a fast-curing resin activated by light instead of mixing. How UV resin is different from epoxy. Let's make this very clear. Epoxy resin, 2 parts, resin plus hardener, cures over hours or days. Works in thick layers depending on type. Strong and structural. UV resin, 1 part only, cures in minutes. Requires UV light. Best for thin layers. Not designed for large volumes. Key difference: epoxy equals chemical curing over time. UV resin equals light-activated instant curing. Advantages of UV resin. Let's talk about why people love it. 1. Fast curing. This is the biggest advantage. No waiting for hours. With proper UV light, cures in minutes. Sometimes even seconds. 2. Easy to use. No mixing ratios. No measuring. No risk of incorrect chemistry. Juste pour une cure. 3. Perfect for small details. UV resin is excellent for fine designs, precision work, small corrections. 4. Less waste. Since it cures quickly, you only use what you need. No leftover mixed epoxy. 5. Great for quick fixes, small repairs, surface touch-ups, adding gloss layers. Limitations of UV resin. Now let's be real. UV resin is powerful, but it has limitations. 1. Limited depth. UV light cannot penetrate deeply, so thick pores won't cure properly. Inner layers may stay soft. 2. Not for large projects. You cannot use UV resin for river tables, flooring, large molds. It's not designed for volume. 3. Requires UV light. No UV light equals no curing. Sunlight can work, but it's not always consistent. 4. Can be more expensive. Compared to epoxy per volume. 5. Lower structural strength. UV resin is not ideal for heavy-duty applications. Key takeaway: UV resin is for precision, not for size. Where to use UV resin. Now let's talk about practical applications. 1. Jewelry making. This is one of the best uses. Rings, pendants, earrings, charms. UV resin allows quick curing, clear finish, fine details. 2. Small molds. Tiny decorative molds. Mini art pieces. Perfect for detailed work. 3. Coating small surfaces. Gloss finish on. Artwork. Stickers. Photos. 4. Repair work. Fixing small defects in epoxy. Filling tiny holes. Sealing cracks. Touch-ups. 5. Layering designs. UV resin is great for layer-by-layer designs. Controlled curing. Where not to use UV resin. This is very important. Do not use UV resin for large pores, deep molds, flooring, tabletops, structural work. Why? Because it won't cure deeply. It lacks structural strength. It becomes inefficient. Simple rule: if your project is large, use epoxy. If your project is small and detailed, use UV resin. How to use UV resin properly. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Prepare your surface. Clean, dry, dust-free. Step 2. apply thin layers. Always keep layers thin. This ensures proper curing. Step 3. Use UV light. Place under UV lamp or direct sunlight. Step 4. Cure properly. Wait until fully hardened. Rotate if needed for even curing. Step 5. Repeat if needed. Build layers gradually. Pro tip: do not rush thick applications. Thin layers equals better results. Common mistakes with UV resin. Let's protect you from errors. Applying too thick leads to soft center, incomplete curing. Using weak light results in sticky surface, incomplete hardening. Not rotating pieces causes uneven curing. Using for wrong projects. Large applications equals failure. Ignoring surface cleaning. Dust ruins finish. Professional tips. Here are some pro-level insights. Use high-quality UV lamps. Work in controlled lighting. Avoid bubbles before curing. Use thin, controlled layers. Test before final work. Professional mindset. UV resin is not a replacement for epoxy. It is a specialized tool. Final message. UV resin is fast, convenient, precise, but it's not universal. Understanding where to use it is what makes the difference. At Resin Epoxy, Resin Resin and Craft, we focus on real knowledge, not shortcuts, not confusion. If this video helped you understand UV resin clearly, make sure you subscribe to Resin Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone learning resin. We are also launching members-only content where we go deeper into advanced techniques, real projects, and business strategies. If you want to take your skills to the next level, consider becoming a member of the channel. And I'm still waiting for my first super thanks. If you want to support the channel and help it grow, I truly appreciate it. Be one of the early supporters, one of the unforgettable viewers of this journey. Remember, the right material for the right purpose creates the right result. I'll see you in the next video.